What up mga solid subscribers no, okay guys no. Okay, may papanoorin tayong video ngayon dun guys no. Okay. Itong video na papanoorin natin no. Ito po yung video po. A very big shoutout syempre kay Jiro Pages no. Jiro Pages no. Isa yan sa mga pagdating sa P-pop, P-pop updates or sa actually to be specific, mostly more on SB19 contents po siya guys no. So, talagang ano guys no, talagang napakatindi nito no kasi talagang kung ano po yung mga updates regarding sa SB19 is updated din po talaga siya na, and then kahit hindi yung mismong mga hindi na alam no, isa siya sa mga talagang mga page today, mga YouTube channel po talaga no, talaga po talagang nagbibigay ng updates regarding po sa ating mahal Lima no. So okay guys, itong title nito guys na papanoorin natin no or gagawa na ng analysis or ating reaction no regarding this one is yung criticism proven wrong, Justin and Philip made their position clear no. So actually guys, wala talagang idea kung ano meron dito guys no, kasi wala akong idea no. So nakita ko lang po ito no. So okay, ulitin ko sa inyo guys, a very big shout po kay Jiro Pages, subscribe kayo dyan. So okay guys, let's go, panoorin na ito.
As we reported yesterday, SB19's Pablo, Josh, and Stel voiced out their stance and shared their emotions. They were responding to the growing public outcry for accountability.
No? So, bago ko simulan to, no, meron na po ako reaction about dun po sa pinost ni Pablo and ni Josh, no. Panoorin nyo lang. I think nalagay ko sa bandang dulo, no, yung panoorin nyo lang after netong video to, nalagay ko na sa dulo, no. And nagawa ko siya reaction video about that one kasi marami nang babash guys, as in eh. Alam mo yun, mga hindi nag-iisip. Alam mo yun, nagmura lang si Pablo or something, curse word, di ba, nagmura lang sila. Alam mo yun, bigla na silang nag-isip ng kung ano-ano na dapat di nagmumura daw kasi ganto, kasi public figure, ganyan. Guys, pag galit tayo, syempre, hindi natin pigilan yung ating emotion. No? Ulitin ko sa inyo, no, sa mga hindi nakapanood na tayo mga Pinoy, no, pag halimbawa mang alam natin na pag nagmumura tayo, is reasonable naman. Like, kunyari, meron talaga tayong pinanggagalingan and talagang merong ibig sabihin kaya tayo nagmumura, no. Kasi yung parang pinakaan natin, panlabas natin, di ba? Pang outrage talaga natin, guys, no, para malabas natin, no. Kasi mahirap pag naipon yan, guys, no. Siyempre, pagmumura na. Pero kung nagmumura ka lang dahil casually or expression, no, yun yung medyo, lalo pag public figure ka, no. So, yan, di ba? So, yun lang, nagmura naman sila dahil meron talaga silang pinaghuhugutan, guys, no?
Over the recently exposed, massive, and scandalous level of corruption in the country. Fans admired this courage to speak out and stand with their fellow Filipinos in the collective cry for justice. What many may have overlooked is that it's not only the three members showing these sentiments. Justin, through multiple interactions and likes on online posts connected to...
So si Ja talagang rin siya. Hindi lang siya nagpo-post pero more on like siya, okay, no. Talagang updated siya, no. Okay. We stand against corruption, no. Okay. One with the trillion peso march. Okay. Lahat ng sangkot dapat panagot. So guys, no, sana ako guys, for me, just my own opinion, no. Sana lahat po ng mga social media personality talaga na sikat, no. Gamitin nila yung platform nila, no. Gamitin na yung platform. Kahit ako guys, ginagamit ko rin yung platform ko even though na hindi ako ganun kalaking YouTuber, social media personality, no, as in, ginagamit ko yung platform ko kahit papaano, no. So, ayun. Sana maging ganun tayo, mag-voice out po tayo, no, di ba?
Likes on online posts connected to the ongoing protests. And
Ben and Ben, okay kapangyarihan na. Akala nyo ba ang pangyarihan nasa inyo? Sino ba kayo?
Ken or Philip, by sharing an image of the anime character Ash from Pokemon catching a crocodile, which many in the public clearly associate with corrupt officials and politicians.
Hangangas, I gotta catch them all. Tapos yung mga crocodile. Hangangas, no. So, ginagamit nila yung platform talaga nila sa tamang paraan, no. Hindi sila na point na play safe. Ay, baka hindi tayo suportahan ng gobyerno pag tiniranan sila, no. Hindi. Ang SB19, alam nila kung anong tama, no. So, ever since naman guys, no, alam nila yung feeling na hindi sinusuportahan, no. So, kaya ngayon, actually guys, sobrang, for me, this is my opinion, na ang minimal pa rin po ng suporta ng gobyerno po sa SB19, no. Hindi siya ganun to the point na sobrang suporta, no. As in, kayod pa rin talagang SB19 para maangat yung bansa natin, no. Tapos, pag halimbawang may na-achieve ang SB19 na naman, no, biglang didikit yung mga yan, no. Yung mga yan, eh. Pag may na-achieve ka, no, pero through the long process, no, wala sila dun guys. Yung mga ups and downs mo, wala sila. Pero pag may na-achieve ka, naku, bida-bida ang mga kuya mo. Bida-bida ang mga puhaya.
Associate with corrupt officials and politicians. Justin and Ken are clearly aligned with the other three members. Still, some people online felt this wasn't enough, or perhaps they simply missed those interactions and posts, but it's obviously wrong to say the two have been silent. In fact, many were hit with some cold hard facts today. Here's what happened. Since last night, many 18 can attest that Josh has been shutting down critics and trolls with his trademark wit and cleverness through comments on his post. Josh has been shutting down critics and
Mga namumula mata sa bugyarn. Tulog ka ba ngayong araw? Di mo ba alam nangyari sa Pinas? Tingin ko to nagko-comment na to. I think, ano to? TikTok Lord. Hindi kasi inaanong TikTok ka. Pero alam mo yun, hindi siya aware like, isa siya sa mga tao na walang pakialam sa bansa natin. O, ganun yun guys, no? Mga nakakabisit yung mga ganyan eh. Kung walang pakialam guys, nakaka-bad trip po talaga, no? Pero dapat ipakita natin may paki tayo, no? Kasi tayo na to eh, di ba? Lahat ng kibot natin, kahit itong ginagawa nyo ngayon guys, kahit habang nanonood kayo sa akin, yung hawak yung cellphone or hawak yung laptop or kung nasan man kayo, sinasakyan yung kotse, sinasakyan yung jeep or sinasakyan yung kung ano man, no? Lahat yan may tax. Yung gas, may tax. Yung cellphone nyo, may tax. Yung laptop nyo, may tax. So lahat yan guys, napupunta sa mga punyemas na gobyerno.
trolls with his trademark wit and cleverness through comments on his post.
Inuulit ko sa inyo guys, hindi lahat meron sobrang talamak lang talaga. As in, nilamon na po na mga korap ang ating gobyerno guys. As in, nilamon na po talaga. Hindi ko nilalahat guys. Merong matitino pa rin, pero halos lumalamang po talaga yung mga abnormal. Yun na yun.
During one of his exchanges on X, he revealed that SB19's
apologies if my millions in taxes and one curse would ruin your day. Ay, si Josh pala. Si Josh pala yung nag-curse, guys. I'm very, very, very sorry. Si Josh pala. Si Pablo yata sinabi ko kanina. Pasensya na. By the way, your idol was the one who told me to post that. He didn't completely make me post this pala. I just said, if I had the balls, I'd post it online. Well, I guess who does?
Ken or Philip was actually the one who encouraged or dared him to upload that now viral video. This should silence anyone questioning Ken's stand on the issue. The very fact that the video of them performing Kapangyarihan was shared on SB19's official account should already be loud and clear proof that this is their collective message as a group. As for Justin, the group's beloved youngest also spoke for himself by replying to fan posts on X. Here's his tweet. Hi, the post of Ofifi is actually my initiative. I also have another initiative that we will do on the 24th. Sorry if I disappointed you by not posting on my personal account. I need to think more effective ways, since our influence as a group is much stronger than me alone.
Tama, no. Sobrang laki ng platform talaga ng SB19 since very known sila all over the world, guys. Kaya, alam mo yun, kailangan din sila maging mindful sa mga gagawin nila. No? So, kumbaga kanya-kanya rin kasing diskarte yan, guys. No? So, si Josh talagang, talagang, alam mo yun, expressive po talaga siya, no? Iba-iba naman ng personality talaga ng SB19, no? Alam mo yun, tumutulong sila in a way, nag-voice out sila in a way na kung saan sila komportable and kung ano talaga sila, guys, no?
Now, to those who doubted them, it should already be clear that Justin and Ken were never silent in the first place. Their actions may have taken a different form, but their message has always been aligned with the rest of SB19. The truth is, both of them stood firm and made their voices heard in their own impactful ways. At the end of the day, what matters most is that SB19 continues to use their platform to stand with their fellow Filipinos in the fight for truth and justice.
Okay, no? So, ayun guys, no, hindi ibig sabihin na tumatahimik or hindi na nakikita sa mga post or sa mga comments or sa social media si Ken and si Justin. Hindi ibig sabihin guys, hindi against sila sa nangyayari, no? Guys, lahat tayo, for me, lahat tayo, maliban na lang po sa mga walang alam, no, na puro kung anong ginagawa mga ewan banggit. Basta na, pero sila guys, tumutulong sila na hindi nga alam, no, baka sumama sila sa rally, hindi na alam, no, or baka nag-share din sila or in a way tumutulong sila sa mga kunyari ito sa movement po talaga, no. So hindi natin alam, wag natin sila i-judge agad, no. So since alam natin SB19 is a group, I'm pretty sure guys, no, iisa lang din ang layunin nila, no, kundi ma-voice out po talaga na kung ano po talaga ang kailangan mangyari sa ating bansa, guys, no. So ayun, stop the hate, isa lang ang mission natin ngayon, guys, no. I mean, dalawa lang, no. Unang-una guys, is syempre, alam mo niya, yung government corruption is talagang mapuksa na po talaga yan, guys. Mapuksa na po talaga natin yan, no? Kailangan matigil na po yan. Wag po tayo titigil, guys, no? Gamitin natin yung platform natin, sayang yung social media, napakalakas nga ng social media, guys, no? Hayaan natin lumiit yung mundo ng mga abnormal na yan. Paliitin natin yung mundo nila, no? Wag tayong papasilaw sa, kunyari, merong isyong ganito, doon tayo mag-focus, wag po natin gagawin yun. Focus tayo dito guys, no. Napakalaking buwisit na ito, no, as in napakalaking damage nito sa ating bansa. Hindi lang sa bansa, pero syempre sa atin as a person, as individual po, no, 'di ba? And pangalawa guys, syempre world domination SB19. Let's go. Pero for now guys, no, for me, kaya lang pagsabayin niya, no, world domination ng SB19 at the same time ng P-pop community, no. So yun lang guys, maraming salamat, no. Kindly leave a like, yan, no, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring that notification bell, no, para alam niyo pag nag-release ng bagong video, no. So again guys, a very big shout out po kay Jiro Pages, no. So this is Point Pen signing out. Peace. Let's G.